Tell me if this sounds familiar. On Sunday, you want to eat a breakfast that feels like a real treat, like fluffy pancakes or crispy waffles, but also you want to feel absolutely fantastic about what you are eating. Today, I'm so excited to share my secret with you. Get ready for a recipe that's not only incredibly delicious but packed with wholesome goodness. It's going to change your breakfast game. But before we dive into the recipe, a little something for those who wants to level up their health journey. I offer personalized health coaching to help you build sustainable healthy habits. And for all those amazing couples out there, this summer we are running a special couples weight loss program with 20% discount. Imagine achieving your health goals together. More details will pop up on your screen later, so keep an eye out. Alright, are you ready to see how easy and brilliant this is? We are going to prepare one batter that can be transformed into fluffy pancakes or crispy waffles. Here are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. I will start by cracking 2 eggs into the blender. By the way, did you know 2 eggs give around 12 grams of high quality protein? Then I am adding half a cup of homemade paneer, which is a great source of clean protein and calcium. 2 very ripe bananas for the natural sweetness, and they give a fluffy and soft structure to our pancakes. Now 2 heaped tablespoons of sattu or roasted chickpea flour. This adds more plant-based protein and fiber. Anti-inflammatory spice cinnamon powder, pinch of salt, a splash of vanilla, and then goes some homemade whey protein water, just enough to blend everything into a smooth batter. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. After blending into a smooth batter, divide into 2 bowls. In one bowl, I will add a tablespoon of cacao powder. It's rich in antioxidants and give a yummy chocolate flavor. I can see the health benefits and my son will love the taste. It's a win-win. We can use the same batter to make waffle also. Alright, after mixing everything, we will add the baking powder at last. And remember, this same amazing batter before adding baking powder can be stored in the refrigerator and used to make delicious pancakes and waffles the next day. Just fold in a little fresh baking powder right before cooking, and after adding the baking powder, we cannot overmix the batter. Just gentle mix. Let's mix the other batter too. Now heat your pan and grease it lightly. And cook this batter on medium heat. Here comes the chocolate one, and my son absolutely loves this. I have been whipping up this incredible pancake recipe for my family for years. And trust me, pancake is America's favorite too. I was even looking it up. America totally loves their pancakes. But if you have ever tried those really fluffy, seemingly innocent pancakes from outside, you might have noticed that let's just say they are not always the healthiest choice. Full of refined flour, refined sugar. Sometimes they might send your blood sugar soaring. Now flip your pancakes when bubbles form and the edges look firm. They smell absolutely divine, and I promise they taste even better. And here you go. Our incredibly delicious high-protein pancakes are ready. Now it's time to make some waffles using the same batter. This whole batter can give you 33 grams of protein. No powder needed, only the real food. I am making a special waffle for my son today using the both batter, chocolate and the vanilla one. If you like this idea, try this at your home too. Trust me, your family will love this. And our delicious waffle is ready. Serve this with berries and maple syrup. Even you can serve this with peanut butter, of course the unsalted and unsweetened one, and also with Greek yogurt for more protein. Now let's see his reaction. See, my son absolutely loves this, and I know your family will too. They are satisfying, filled with wholesome goodness, and you know what's exactly in this. No hidden nasties. So are you ready to ditch those unhealthy, sugar spiking pancakes and waffles and try this high protein, high fiber recipe? I promise your body and your taste bud will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes every week. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe and how your family loves it. I always love to hear back from you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, I highly recommend you to watch my These Breakfast Recipes next. Keep watching and happy breakfasting.